Hello, welcome to FreeBStech YouTube channel. Today, I will be guiding you on how to mock up a logo design. Before we start today's tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel below. Like, comment and share this video. After creating your 2D logo design, the next thing is to mock it up. A mock-up shows a real image of how a logo will look like when designed in real life. To mock up a logo, you need a mock-up template. You can find free mock-up template online or check the description below to download the popularly used mock-up template FreeBStech compiled just for you. Follow the video carefully in order not to miss any step. Open your browser and search for freebstek.com. You can check for the direct download page link in the description below. Once loaded, tap on the search bar available on the website. Now, search for mock-up template. Load the page and download your desired mock-up template. In case you need more free mock-up template, you can open your browser and search for free mock-up template download. Please hit the subscribe button below, it counts a lot. After getting your preferred mock-up template, the next thing is to edit the mock-up file. To do this, we use a website known as photop.com. Before you open this website, make sure you have extracted the mock-up file and your device have enough space. Open your browser and search for photop.com. You can get the link in the description below. Once you are on the website, tap on Open from Computer. Select the PSD file of the mockup template you extracted previously. It will then load up the mockup template. Once done, the next thing is to start editing. Tap on Layer at the top bar of the site. Tap on Smart Object, then select the option to open the Smart Object. Once opened, you will see the default PNG logo. The next thing is to turn off the default PNG image and import your 2D PNG logo. Select the 2D PNG logo you created. Once imported, enlarge it to fit your need. Tap on File once done, then tap Save. This will update the mockup with your own 2D logo. To save your file, simply tap on File, then select Export. Select the option to export as JPG. Increase the image quality, then tap Save. That is all. If you are a business owner, then you need to get yourself a mockup logo. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share this video. Thanks for watching.